So today we're just working on some light glove work with Ryder before he hops on his practice. So we're gonna try some new things, see if we can get more athletic. And so I just want you to react as soon as you catch the ball. Just drop it and get to the next. Okay.
I keep on forgetting to drop it.
There you go. That was good.
That's pretty hard.
So this it's not supposed to be easy. There you go. You actually looked pretty athletic there. Charge it. Come on.
All right. I wasn't expecting you to go slow.
Do you notice on that last one you didn't get low enough?
Yeah.
Got to sink those hips a little deeper.
All right.
Not bad.